Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install a Maestro AR and a PSM Pro on a 2014 Plus Harley. Okay, we've already got the front fairing off of the Street Glide, but the procedures will be the same on a Road Glide also. First thing you need to do is connect your AHD2 harness, and to do that, you're going to remove the quad lock connector from the factory radio. Once that is off, you'll connect that onto the harness and just click it into place. And then the other end of the harness will plug back into the radio and click back into place. Just like that. This extra wire you're going to go ahead and tuck in over here next to the glove box, and that'll be out of your way. Now we're going to connect the AR module. The AR module has pins on two sides. We're going to use the side that's opposite of the red side. The AR module will ship with the data cable that's going to connect to the connector. So that's step one. Then we're going to connect the power connector from the AHD2 to the AR module. Just like that. Now we can connect our PSM Pro. The larger connector from the AHD2 harness will connect to the input side of the PSM Pro. Just like that. And then the data cable from the AR module will connect to the IDL port on the PSM Pro. Just like that. The iData AR module and the PSM Pro will both tuck over here next to the radio, and they'll just go in right under here, right between the speaker pod and the radio. The last remaining wires on the AHD2 harness are the speaker wires and the remote turn-on wire. These will connect to the amplifier. The gray and white wires will connect to channels 1 and 2 on the amplifier, and the remote turn-on blue wire will connect to the remote turn-on port on the amplifier. Okay guys, now we're going to flash the AR module to the bike. You turn your power on, just one click, and within 5 seconds, hit the clutch pedal 5 times. You're going to hear that horn honk. Hit the left turn signal. You're going to get another horn honk. And then when you hear those last 2 horn honks, that means your radio's been reflashed. And that's it. All right, guys, that's all it takes to install a Maestro AR module on a Harley Bagger. We're going to go ahead and wrap up this installation and get this bike all wrapped up.